Victoria and this is Studio Hours. I started this series because basically I needed it and I think maybe you do too. It's not a tutorial, it's not a productivity hack, it's your chance to slow down and enjoy a little bit of creative time alongside me. So why a co-working session? Well, because creativity can feel really lonely at times, and because showing up for your creativity regularly is how things start to shift. Being creative isn't just a talent or a hobby, it's an act of unlocking. Creative practice is called that because you need to practice doing it. And that's what Studio Hours is all about. The more often you show up, the more you'll find waiting for you. Back in 2024, I started a personal challenge called the Creative Calm Challenge. It was a little test that I did on Instagram where I created for 10 minutes every single day in my studio, and it could be on a variety of projects. It didn't really matter. It was the act of creativity that was the reason that I did it. Some days it was sketching, some days it was stitching, some days it was organising my supplies so they were a little bit more user-friendly. Those small consistent moments built a rhythm. They became a quiet creative meditation for me, a quiet grounding space amid the busyness of my life. And over time, which was a year, I noticed that it was so much easier to start, to stay focused and work on a project every single day. I was building my creative muscle back and it was super exciting. And there's something else too, slowness. In a world that moves fast, slowness seems so radical, but it gives your creativity time to stretch. It creates a space for calm and clarity and allows ideas to appear to you. I think of creativity as a river. When it flows, it changes, surging over rapids, winding through bends, meandering to cut new paths, feeding everything around it. It's an ecosystem, moving, shifting, supporting life. But when we stop showing up, when we put it off, we actually build a dam in that river. And when the river stops flowing, life stills, and no new directions, no movement, just a swamp, slow moving, heavy and stuck. That dam, it's the one we build when we overthink things, we buy all the supplies, make endless plans, Pinterest boards, scroll on social media, and never actually start the project. So that's where this project comes in. Studio Hours is here to help you get into the flow softly. It's not about finishing things or making masterpieces. It's just simply about showing up. I'll work on a project for 20 to 30 minutes and you're invited to do the same. Do whatever creative means to you. It could be stitching, it could be writing, it could be crochet, it could be knitting, it could be making clothes, or it could be collage, or it could just be simply sitting and thinking, or planning or meditating. Creativity is deeply connected to well-being, and I found when I was creating every day consistently for no reason other than creation itself, I found that I felt so much better. It helps us regulate, reconnect and release. These little pauses become acts of self-care. They calm the mind and they reduce stress. And they remind us who we are beyond the rush and the noise. These moments of quiet focus are where breakthroughs happen. You try to get things done without being married to the outcome. You start to take risks, even little tiny ones, and you get quicker and more agile the more you show up to your creation. Your movements become intuitive, and most importantly, you free yourself from judgment because nobody's watching. This series has been created as a space for you to create gently and without any pressure, because your creativity doesn't need a perfect plan. It just needs you to show up. And sometimes just a little company helps. So join me each week for Studio Hours. It's your invitation to create, to breathe, and to come back to yourself one gentle session at a time. Take the pause, let it flow. See you on Friday.